welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and before we get started I would just like to thank the traditional owners of the land on which we're gathering today. I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Well, it's Thursday, it is 20 past 12, I'm working from home, and I have a BELLABOX that got delivered yesterday. I don't know. All the days are blurring together at the moment. So I thought I'd spend my lunch break filming a video because I can. I've got 45 minutes under my belt. Let's give it a go, see how much I can get done. But it does mean you're gonna have to watch me eat my lunch. There it is. Be right back. Got some gnocchi from last night that Morgan made. Thank you, Morgan. So I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Sarah. I'm a YouTuber. And hello, this is very awkward. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, go to my Instagram, which is down below in the description box, and follow me because I asked you to very nicely. Please help. I am getting weird. I'm just gonna get stuck into this before it gets any weirder. Ooh, this month's BELLABOX is purple, which matches my hair. Do you like my new hair, by the way? It was blue, if you remember, and blue's very hard to get out. So we tried to do a like peachy pink melt into purple, and at first it didn't really work, and then we tried again, and we got this, and I quite like it. My hairdresser was gonna try and fix it, but I don't think we need to. I kind of love it. But we didn't get time to do a blowout or a style or anything because it was like we left after 10 on Tuesday night. And I wanted to leave. I was tired, I wanted to go to bed. So that'll probably happen Saturday. So I can take some really nice photos of what it's supposed to look like, because at the moment I half blow dried it myself just to see what the color turned out like, and I don't know, it just kind of looks terrible. Anyway, BELLABOX. We have the classic black tissue paper, and this is this month's collection. Oh, this one has stars on it. That's nice. Oh, we got 5 things that look quite big in this one. I'm gonna start with the biggest thing. So this is hair growth tonic for women from Evolus. What? It's the packet. Evolus hair growth tonic has been clinically tested to help reduce hair loss and increase the number of growing hair follicles. Developed by hair biologists, color and keratin safe, and formulated with natural botanicals to stop the effects of hair loss causing protein FGF5, leaves no greasy residue, keeps hair growing longer, stronger and faster. This product is suitable for all hair types. Right, so this is a full-size product. It's 50 ml and goes for $59. Not gonna lie, this box was like 20 bucks. So here's a little box, little plastic box. Directions for use. Morning and evening, apply directly to the scalp and massage in gently. Use 2 or more full droppers as required to cover all treatment areas. I feel like I've got so much hair it will just get lost and I have to use like 20 times as much, but I'm obviously not going to be able to test this out in this video. I don't have an issue with hair loss either, but I'll test it. See if my hair gets thicker and more luscious. Product number 2. Bio Oil Skincare Oil. Specialist Scar and Stretch Mark product. Oh my god, I've been wanting to buy some of this. So this is Bio Oil Skincare, formulated to help remove the appearance of scars and stretch marks. #1 recommended by GPs for scar and stretch marks. This is the old classic. So this is a 25 ml sample size, but full price it goes for $24.95, which is 125 mils is the normal size, so we get 25 ml. I was gonna go out and buy this anyway. This is so good. Look at this cute little bottle though. Apply twice daily for a minimum of 3 months. 3 months. Individual results will vary. Suitable for sensitive and non-comedogenic. Comedogenic. For external use only. Don't eat this. Let's give it a sniff. I should sniff the other one too. Oh, it smells quite good. A bit rosy. Nice. This one smells like it's child-proof. What did I just do? I don't know how to use it. Okay, just put that one away. I might actually do a proper test of this for the 3 months, like they say, because I have significant stretch marks on my stomach. This is probably inappropriate, but as you can see, I have quite a few stretch marks, which I don't mind having them, but they're quite dark. So I won't do it right now, but I will test it out. I'll buy a full-size bottle, and test it for a few months and take some before, during, and after pictures. And geez, the wind is going to blow my house over. And put it on Instagram. See if it works, because they're quite dark. I think they get a lot worse because of my IBS. So my stomach will be normal, and then all of a sudden I'll look 6 months pregnant, like I did this week, thanks to someone slipping onion in my hash browns. Hey, Gordy. So watch this space. I'm so happy with that product. And this lunch. All right, just gonna keep going in size order. Next we have Plunkin. I've already ruined saying it. This is what it looks like. It is Plunkett's Vita E Natural Vitamin E Cream. Contains high potency vitamin E enriched with rosehip oil. Oh, I love rosehip oil. Non-greasy cream is natural vitamin E. Blah blah blah. Moisturizes, nourishes, and restores dry and damaged skin. Suitable for face, hands, and body. Woo! We have 20 grams. 100 grams is the standard, and it's $15.45 for 100 grams. That's not too bad. It's not very expensive. Get it at Chemist Warehouse. Give this a sniff. I might rub this all over my hands right now. I have very dry skin, so this suits me just fine. Doesn't have much of a smell. Smells just kind of like oil, but like a bit different. Excellent. I might use this as moisturizer for a few days. Oh, I'll put it on my face. Hey, let's put it on my face. I use rosehip oil on my skin quite regularly, especially in winter, because I get really dry, red, damaged skin, and I use rosehip oil if I have a reaction to something, because I have very sensitive, reactive skin. I know I'm probably doing this wrong. I'm not very nice to my skin. Leave me alone. Feels very nice on the skin because it's not like super scented. I think they've just got no scent in it. I think it's just whatever it is in it, so that's nice. It's nice and moisturizing. I guess we'll see by the end of this video if my face is bright red. We shall see. We shall see. Second to last, we have La Roche-Posay. I'm saying that wrong. And Thelios Invisible Fluid Facial Sunscreen. We have a sample size of 3 mils. It's an SPF 50 sunscreen made for sensitive skin. Fragrance free. 50 mils, which is the normal size, is $30. Well, SPF is very important, and I do have sensitive skin. But I have found much cheaper SPFs that do not mess with my skin. Look how little and cute this is. Hey, little guy. non-shiny finish. Does it still smell like sunscreen though? Yes, it does. I'm not going to use this right now. I'm not going outside today, so I don't need to wear SPF. And I also just put moisturizer on my skin and I don't want to ruin it. But a girl can never have enough sunscreen. At least we didn't get hand sanitizer this month. Okay, and last but not least, we have this month's like star makeup product, I guess. It is the Karen Moral Natural Lipstick, valued at $30. Your lips are going to love oh, I should probably show you what the packaging looks like. It's actually really cute. Your lips are going to love Karen Moral's creamy natural lipstick. Its rich emollient properties ensure long-lasting color, with avocado oil preventing moisture, providing moisture and hydration, and cinnamon giving fuller and plumper lips, because that's my problem. Plus, its added evening primrose oil is rich in omega-6 to soothe and moisturize. I was given the option to choose a color and I forgot. So this is Velvet Mousse. Oh, I think that's the type of lipstick. Oh, look at this packaging. It's a cool little stampy thing on top. Here we go, the color Violet Mousse. That is what it says on the top. I just said Velvet Mousse. And this is the color. This is the one I was going to choose. It's like a mauvey red. Oh, it smells like a naturopath store. Have you ever been to a naturopath? It smells amazing. That is a beautiful color. Let me just grab a mirror. I'm gonna put it on. I know I'm not wearing makeup. I don't care. And it's got a pretty little flower on the lipstick. And a K carved into it. Very cool, Karen. In the camera, it's in the viewfinder, it's a very like intense color, but in real life it's more of like a mauve. It's just like a dusty pink, and I really like it. I really like this color, and it does feel very, very nice on the lips. I'm burping because I'm eating. Just relax. Feels very nice on the lips. It smells really good. Tastes pretty good. This is a delicious lipstick. I'm not one to pay 30 bucks for lipstick, but I'm very, very glad that I was given the opportunity to try this. It's very nice, so thank you, BELLABOX. I'm such a fiddler. I can't stop fiddling. I just need to sit here quietly and not move. Anyway, that's it for today. That is my BELLABOX for June. You still have a little bit of time to get the June BELLABOX. I believe you can just order it straight up to the end of the month, and then July starts, because that's how months work. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, I don't want to hear it. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a nice comment, please. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna finish my lunch. I'm really hungry. This actually didn't take that long to film. This might be the shortest video I've ever filmed. So congratulations to me. I need to, okay, this isn't, I'm no longer really making sense. I need a nap. Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy your lives. I love you. Bye.